Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make my honey butter cornbread. The first thing you need is obviously the only corn mix you should be using, and that's the Jiffy corn muffin mix. And you just pour that into a bowl. Next thing I'll use is just 1 egg. This is where it have a little twist and turns. So I added some vanilla extract in there, just a little bit. I don't be knowing, I just be eyeballing it, but just do it till your heart says stop. Then I add 1/3 cup of water. I know it's supposed to be milk, but one time I didn't have milk, so I added water instead, and I've been using water ever since. And then you're gonna take some honey and put that in there as well. I don't know how much honey I be putting in there. I just do it until my ancestor says stop, okay? But when I counted it, I did like 14 go rounds of honey. So I don't know how much that is. You could put however much you want, but this is how I do it. And then after that, you just mix everything up. And then another component I add is melted butter. I usually add this at the end when everything is mixed because I don't want the melted butter to cook the egg. And then I let the batter rest for 3 to 4 minutes so it could have a rise to it. Then next I just butter up my pan that I'm going to be using for my cornbread. Butter that up real good. I just pour the batter mix in there after that. And I put that in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes as it says on the box. So to make my honey butter glaze, I think I added 4 tablespoons of butter, which is like 1/3 cup of butter, I'm pretty sure. But you could adjust how much you use to your liking. After all the butter is melted, I put honey in there. When I counted it, I think I put 6 circles of honey. You could use however much honey you want, okay? I don't know. I just be going until I feel like it's the right amount. I continuously mix the glaze until I see lots of bubbles forming at the top, like how it looks here. Now my cornbread is out of the oven looking nice and brown like me. And what I do next, I just cut some holes into the cornbread. I don't know why I was doing T's at first, but then after that I just was stabbing the cornbread. So you just stab it all around. And then after that, you just pour the honey butter glaze right over that thing so it can get all nice and juicy. And then you're basically done. I like to eat my cornbread hot, so y'all can eat this right away if y'all want to. Some people would like to chill their cornbread in the fridge, but me, I like it hot, right out of the oven. It looks so nice and glazed up and stuff. Y'all need to go and make this cornbread because it was mad good. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want to see more food videos from me. And that's it. Bye.